It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in.
Okay. Hi YouTube, it's your girl Imanii, and we are back with another vibe video. Oh. Okay. Y'all, I'm on lunch at work right now. Whatever. And I got the Jimmy John's pickle sandwich. Now I've already tried the and I got the pickle chips. So they got pickle chips, and then my pickle sandwich. And I got the jalapeno ranch because I seen somebody on TikTok use the ranch, so I'm gonna try it. And I got the turkey one. They have another one where it's like salami, kappa something, and something else. I tried that one before. I made a TikTok, so I might include that. I'll probably include that in this video. And then I really hope this is not too loud. And then I wanted to really try the turkey one, so that's what we have today. And like I said, y'all, I think I want to just try to do these type of car videos because right now I really don't know what type of content to give y'all right now. We're not gonna go there because that's not what this video is. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, it felt so nice leaving and going to get my food because I haven't left the job and went and got my food in a minute because I haven't been buying food. So it felt nice to just get out, feel the sun, you know. I mean, I could do that on my breaks too. Like, I don't even go outside on my breaks no more. I don't know why. But y'all need a car mount. Let me show y'all. This is what it looks like. Sorry, y'all, the sun came back out. And I really hope this is recording. This is the inside. This is the inside. Can y'all see? Okay. And I kept everything on it. It comes with lettuce and tomatoes. So I kept that on it. And I'm finna just buy it. I should have said light freaking lettuce. Why I want extra crunch? Anyways. Oh, that's so cool. And I have on green. I ain't do that on purpose. Look, and I got me. I was last showing y'all. Oh, my Mountain Dew. Yeah, I got the green with the green with the green. Let me try to get a thumbnail. My bad, y'all. I'm being a little extra because, you know, it'd be hard to see. But let me go ahead and try this because I'm playing. I hope y'all ain't just see my head. I don't think I really got any meat in that bite. Let me try again. Before I try with the jalapeno ranch. I should have cut it. Oh, why it won't let you pick the cut in half. But I mean, I feel like with this one, now I want to calm down. Let me see if I get another thumbnail there. Y'all get it, shit. Shoot. Okay, so I will have to say I think I like the other one better, because this one is just giving me like this pickle. Like, I don't feel like I'm tasting much of the meat and stuff, but it could be because turkey also bland a little bit. Now this is the jalapeno ranch. I ain't never tried. A little bit on my finger. Ooh, hold up. Okay for the jalapeno. I'm finna try this. This probably finna make it hit. Okay, let's see. Yeah, if I start doing segments like this, I want like a tray so I can sit on my lap and y'all see it. I'm scared my clothes gonna get dirty, but it's okay. So y'all, my bad, y'all. Okay, let me hurry up because I do got about like 15 minutes left, and then I want to try the chips for y'all. So I'm going to splash it on there. Yep, okay. Y'all see that? It's juice all over here. Okay, see? You see it? All right, let's try this. Let's see if this is a hit. My bad, y'all. I'm just trying to see if I got cheese. This is cheese. I love me some provolone. So, I don't know, y'all. Okay. Now I taste the turkey. It's probably how I just bit that. And I definitely say the other one's better. I say it's the like Italian pickle sandwich. I think that one's better. But the ranch with this one's pretty good, but even with it, I still feel like the other one's better. So y'all, I've honestly had these before because I'm pretty sure Jimmy John's had the pickle chips just a couple months ago. And then took them away, but then brought them back because of the pickle thing. I'm like 100% sure they just had these. Not like I had these like a year ago or something. No, I mean like a couple months ago. But I'm finna try them. This is how they look. Don't want to get in the bag. Oh, that's cool. It look like out in the bag. This is how the chip looks. Can y'all see? The seasoning on there. You know what's crazy? Oh, well, first let me get out a review. This one looks like it's gonna be so good. It's not giving me dill pickle like before. And then y'all know Subway got spicy dill. Them things hit. These, I don't know. I mean, you get it a little bit, but it's more giving me a light like a light salt and vinegar. I don't know. They cool, of course I'm gonna finish them. But I don't know. Overall, I mean, it's cool. For sure can make this at home though. Like, you literally just have to get pickles, scoop out the inside, and put your sandwich meat in there and your toppings, and boom. So, but yeah, I really like the other one. But this was cool. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I want to keep talking to y'all. Honestly, this just might be a video on this, and I'm gonna do another video in the car because I'm really feeling the vibe of me telling y'all. I got some news. Do I want to share that right now? I don't know. Now I'm studying for my test again. It's not giving me like deal. But let me get this out of the sun. But oh, that's what I was gonna say. Yeah. Oh, it's under me. The pickle, you know how pickles are juicy, duh. It's so like juicy and like refreshing that I didn't even need nothing to drink. Like, I didn't even open my soda yet, and I still don't even want to open it because like I'm feeling thirsty after the chips. But when I bite this pickle, look, it's gonna quench my little thirst because it's so juicy. See, I don't even. Okay, so my phone getting hot, so I packed it up, and I'm gonna go inside and watch Baddies finish episode 2 while I finish eating, because I got like about like 13 minutes left on my break. That was my review. I definitely still gonna say try it, you know. It wasn't bad. Yeah. Jimmy John's. Yeah. So, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on another vibe video. Because you could come over here and vibe with your girl. Y'all could go get a pickle sandwich and then come eat it and try it while you watch my video. I'm gonna go.